What's up, guys? Today in this video, Cammy is gonna have lots of Cammy cam footage filmed by my mom. If you guys saw yesterday's video, sorry for like that leg shot. If you guys saw yesterday's video, you'll know that my mom watched Cammy Saturday night, and she filmed a ton of content for me. So that's today's video. So really a huge shout out to my mom for filming. Enjoy it. And this week I got a ton of cool videos planned for y'all. All right, peace.
Then I get some good ground ones.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I got it. I'm gonna get it. Where is it? Oh. She's not getting it.
She knows she's being. You tired? Huh?
Ow, ow, ooh, that hurts.
Hey, let me see. What you got? Huh? You got a new toy? You got a toy? What is that? Huh? What you got? Is he squeaky? Is he squeaky? Is he squeaky?
Journalist Elsa Walsh answered the calls, which came day or night.
So we joke, I sort of say there's like Princess Diana, that there were 3 people in this marriage, Bob, me, and
Cammy, Cammy, what you got there? Did you make a mess? Huh? Are you focused? Cammy, are you focused? What you got?
And then the musical guest on Saturday Night Live.